What's going on? It's Bruce Rochester here with a quick video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually partner up with a almost $100 million company that's going to allow you not only work from home, but work from anywhere. This name of the company is called Financial Education Services. It's a credit repair company. So as you can see here, this is my personal website with the company. So if you chose to become part of the company, you have your own website where you'll be able to enroll customers from all across the nation that needs credit repair. Now, here's the good news. We don't actually fix anyone's credit. The company fixes the credit. All we basically do is refer people to this website. The company fixes the credit. You get paid. I've been doing this now for 3 years. I used to work at a call center for 10 years of my life. No law, right? I was smiling and dialing. It just got to the point where I was paid on Friday. I was broke by Friday. I was living paycheck to paycheck. I got two kids. I have a 2 year old and I also have a 9 year old. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see my two kids. But it just, I just felt like I had more month than money, and I wanted something not only to replace my income, but also supplement my income. So I was, a friend of mine showed me the program. I enrolled, and not only did I was able to make money, but I was also able to improve my credit score. My credit score went from the low 400s to a 778, and I've been able to help so many people all across the nation. I helped my mom. My fiance is also in the business. She's a vice president. My mom also was a customer. Her credit score went from a 640 to a 717 in 45 days. And I also got my credit worked on for free. So if you decide to partner up with the company, you're going to have your own website. This is going to be your website. You'll be able to log in. This will be the login. So this is my login. I'm just logging into my back office. And then I'm going to kind of like guide and show you what you're going to receive being part of the company. So you're going to have your own links to send to customers. We have scripts, we have training. So when you get started, the company have tons of training and material to show you what you need to do to take your business to the next level. So this is the first thing I did. I went to the training tab. It's free training because you're a part of the company. And it's $10.99. This is not no hourly. So guys, if you're looking for a job, this is not might be for you. But if you're looking to work your own business, like having your own tax business with no overhead, weekly pay, tax advantages, guys, I'm telling you, this is a phenomenal opportunity that can allow you to do that. So, and then you get your credit worked on as well. So this is just the back office. I'm just giving you guys like a little tour. You have the compensation plan overview, agent report. You can see your customer reports of all the customers you enroll into the company. Then also, I want to talk to you about some of the agents that are in the company. So I'm a senior vice president in the company. What does that mean? I mean, I do about $1 million in business sales every 30 days. I have also a team of agents that work under me. Right now, I'm a total of about 4,000 agents nationwide. And I'm not the only one that's doing this, that's doing phenomenally well. This is Lakeisha Marion. She's a real estate agent. She partnered with the company because she was sick and tired of seeing so many people with less than perfect credit. Her credit score was damaged as well. Her score was in low 400s. She partnered with the company. Her score, she actually went from 7 foreclosures. She had 7 foreclosures on her credit report. The company removed all 7 foreclosures, and today she went from 7 foreclosures to 7 figures in this company. Guys, it's crazy hearing these stories, man. Knowing people that just came from nothing to something. Now, my homeboy, my best friend who showed me the program, his name is Alfred Nixon. He's also a 7-figure earner with the company. He's 26 years old, from Miami, Florida. He used to work for the city of Miami-Dade, picking up trash on South Beach. He's like, man, Bruce, I think we got something that we can make money with. I'll never forget when he made that phone call to me. And I watched him, basically from the sidelines. And, I just got tired of watching him make all this money. I partnered up with the company. Today, Alfred Nixon, he's the senior regional vice president of the company, doing $2.5 million in business every 30 days. He's a 7-figure earner in the company. And guys, he's 26 years old. Then I remember when I got started, I was just telling everybody. My friend Mike hit me up. Mike Burgos used to work at a company called Wells Fargo. He was $20,000 in debt. And as you can see, guys, we promote the company. We promote the services. So if you're familiar with like what's that company called? Fashion Nova. We do the same thing. Fashion Nova don't promote on. They don't do like ads. They pay people to promote their brand. Pay people to promote their clothing brand. So we get paid by promoting the services. When people hit us up, we just enroll them. We get paid. We get paid 6 ways in the company. So like I said, Mike Burgos used to work at Wells Fargo. I showed him everything Alfred showed me. Within 6 months, he became a regional vice president of the company. Today, this guy's doing, he's making ridiculous money. He doesn't work at Wells Fargo anymore, I can tell you that much. And this company has changed lives. His roommate saw Mike, and he was like, man, that thing that you and Bruce is doing, is it legit? Is it real? Mike was like, yes, man. Bruce put me in a position to make a lot of money. Now, Valesky was his roommate. He was working at a company called Walmart, making $8.75 an hour. He was featured in Fox, on Fox TV. He was also featured in the Huffington Post as being a multi-millionaire in the credit repair industry. Like, guys, this guy has a lot of credibility to go from working at Walmart to now, doing almost close to $1 million in business. So, I mean, it doesn't matter whether you're from Yale or you're from jail. We'll show you how you can get enrolled in the program, but not everyone's qualified. Not everyone's qualified to work with me or our team. Right now, I have currently over 300 emails I got to go through, and I only have 10 slots available. So this is the first thing I want you to do to see if you qualify. If you have a Facebook, the first thing I would want you to do is log in onto your Facebook, right? Then this is what I'd recommend. See, we want you to promote the business before you launch a business. So by the time you join the business, you already have people that's interested, that want to get their credit fixed. So the first thing I'd want you to do is go on your Facebook, and you can put up a post like this. So let me go here and kind of show you what it looks like. So the post would be like this. It'll say Equifax. You can go on my page and take it if you want. But your first thing you would have to do is, just to see if we can get some people interested, you want to change your Facebook settings to public. See if we can get some people interested first. Change that to public. Change your comment section to public, and change the notification set to public. And then you'll make this post. And if you don't have the post, you can say, hey, listen, can you send me that post that you did in your video? I'll send you the post, and then we'll go from there. Then you want to tag about 50 people to it, right? Just tag 50 people to it, and then we can see let's see if we can get some people interested. If we can get some people interested, then we can move forward right from there. And I'll send you a script that we'll use, and then you can say, hey, listen, I got people who's interested. I got people who want to do, look at this. I just put this up recently, and I got 40 people that's begging me for information that want to get their credit fixed. We have a script that we use. So I'm going to show you the script that we use right here. Customer script. So all you have to do, guys, is just follow our script. It's pretty simple. You get paid weekly. Guys, there's agents that make up to $4 million in this company. The #1 earner in our company, her name is Nicola Smith Jackson. She's been doing this for 5.5 years. She's doing today $4 million with a credit repair business. Guys, what company you know that could fix your credit, pay your car note, pay your mortgage up to $5,000 a month, tax advantages, weekly pay, fix your credit, and put you in a position to help other people? So if you really love helping people, I'm telling you, this business might be the business you've been looking for. Think about it. How many people in the country needs credit? And I know the question is everybody. Guys, listen, if you got a brain, this just makes sense. I remember when my friend asked me, he's like, who wouldn't want to do this? And I was like, exactly. That's why I got started. So I recommend you going on a trial run first, test out the business, seeing if you can get some people interested first. Then if you can get some people interested, say, hey, this might be something that I can do. This might be something that I can do to help make some extra money. You can make anywhere from a couple $100s to a couple thousand. So maybe you could be the next Nicola Smith Jackson making $4 million a year. So with that being said, if you want to get more information, get back with the person who got you this video. And I see you guys on the other side. Peace.